All right, William, here's your 427FE. Give you a description of this combination. It's got Edelbrock heads on it. It's got a custom grind solid roller. Moroso front sump oil pan. Edelbrock manifold quick fuel carburetor, MSD distributor. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 511 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 515, peak horsepower 476, so everything good. What we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple of things here. When you see your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card, a USB card full of technical information. And the crate will be this spec sheet. Highly recommend reading it all. Have a great day.